Alright, this is just going to be a RAM upgrade on and SSD, I mean if you want to do that too, but on a T14 Lenovo Gen 1. So first thing, just unscrew these six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to start at the back because I just did a T15 and I had pretty good success starting from the back. So I'm just prying it up here. Nice. Open it up. This part's the worst. Same with the P15. Kind of gotta do everything else except that. Man, that's everything. Come on. I still have screw holding it in. There we go. So that's it here. So the RAM slot on this one is here. Just note that if you get a T14S, it won't have a RAM slot. And then the SSD there, if you wanted to replace it, just unscrew that and then pull it up just a little bit and slide it out. There is a heatsink or kind of piece of rubber underneath it, so you can use that for your next one if you don't have a heatsink on it. So yeah, sometimes it just, that little rubber piece makes it a little difficult to wiggle out, so you kind of got to lift it so it's not touching that. Just remove the battery too. Or not remove the battery, just take out the cable. Or disable it from BIOS. Okay, so I'm just gonna slide it in a little diagonally, get it in there, and click it down, and that's it. This one's upgraded. And that's it, just put it all back together, you're good to go. Oh yeah, put the battery cable back in, put it all back together, and then you're good to go.